is. This song we're going to sing, a lot of y'all remember our good friend Aaron Wilburn passed away a couple of years ago, and he wrote this song, and I've always loved it. This is his grandson, Zachary Wilburn, and Zachary's going to help us sing it, and we will always remember Aaron Wilburn for the songs that he wrote that just reached down and touched our hearts. I have so many loved ones on the other side. I have a husband, 2 babies, my mom, my dad, 2 brothers, and you know what? I get to missing them sometimes so bad. But in the middle of all of that is going to be a man called Jesus Christ. Revelations 21:4 says, "And for God himself shall wipe away the tears from their eyes." That sounds like home to me. Somewhere just across the Jordan River is a place of everlasting joy and peace, where the stream of life is flowing there forever. And Jesus Christ himself will be the light. And that sounds like home to me, right where I long to be. There'll be no tears to fill our eyes again. The hills will echo with the snow as we sing of his grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to me. Sing it, come on. They say there's mansions there inside that city, a crystal river flowing by the tree of life. No pain nor disappointment there to hurt us. Love this part. And Jesus Christ himself will be the light. And that sounds like home to me, right where I long to be. There
Stevie and Zachary right there in all the family. Give them a big hand, everybody.